Good morning, friends. How are you all? I am fine. And this is Shanmukrao Sivala. I welcome you all to today's English class. Let us discuss grammar adjectives. Before going to the class, please share it to all your friends and groups and subscribe my channel because it is very useful to all. Okay, friends. Thank you for your support also. Now let us start the class. Today let us discuss parts of speech, adjective. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun or a pronoun and it adds some meaning to a noun or a pronoun is an adjective. Adjectives will beautify the language. Adjectives enrich the language. The language looks rich enough if we use adjectives, if we describe things actually. The language becomes flowery if we use adjectives. So we have to learn, we have to enhance our adjectives, vocabulary. Let us see. So it describes a noun or a pronoun and adds some meaning to it. This is the definition of an adjective. Describes a noun or a pronoun and adds some meaning to it. And let us see. A brave man killed a fierce lion. A brave man killed a fierce lion. Simply this, if we remove the adjectives, this sentence is a man killed a lion. A man killed a lion. The sentence looks very simple. So it is not so beautiful. It is not impressive. If we use adjectives, it looks very impressive, very beautiful. For example, you see a brave man. Who killed the lion? A brave man. Brave man. So man, brave man. We are describing the quality of that man. How is that man? Brave. A brave man killed a lion, killed a fierce lion. What kind of a lion? Fierce lion. Fierce means ready to attack other animals, ready to kill other animals. The lion is always ready to attack and kill other animals. So that is called fierce. Such a fierce lion. A brave man killed a fierce lion. Here the adjectives are brave, describes the quality of the man, noun. So brave is an adjective. And fierce lion, fierce is an adjective. It describes the quality of the lion. What kind of a lion? It is a fierce lion. So very ready to attack others. So the sentence looks very beautiful. It looks flowery when we used adjectives. So we have to learn a lot of adjectives. We have to enhance the adjectives as well as the vocabulary. Next one is, generally adjective comes before a noun. Man, brave man. Brave came before a noun. Lion, fierce lion. Generally, adjective comes before a noun. But sometimes, Lata is an audacious girl. Lata is a girl. Common sentence, simple sentence. It doesn't appeal anybody. But Lata is an audacious girl. Audacious, willing to take risks. Willing to take bold risks. She is ready to take risks. Is an audacious girl. What kind of a girl she is? She is an audacious girl. Audacious, willing to take risks. So it describes the quality of the girl. So audacious is an adjective, describing adjective. And so here also before the girl, before the noun came audacious. Generally adjective comes before a noun. This is an adjective. The apple is sweet. The apple is sweet. Here after the verb it came sweet. Sweet, what is sweet? Sweet describes the quality of the apple. Sweet describes the quality of the apple. How is the apple? The apple is sweeter. So sweet is an adjective which describes the quality of the noun. The apple. So sweet is an adjective. Adjective generally comes before a noun. Before a noun. But sometimes comes after the verb also. After the verb also adjective comes. Okay, I hope you all understood what is an adjective. Now let us study the kinds. We divided adjectives into some kinds. There are some kinds of adjectives. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is kinds of adjective. First one is descriptive adjective. Descriptive, it is describing nouns or pronouns. Describing them. So with the description only the language looks very rich enough. Very beautiful. And it looks flowery. If we describe, if we use more number of adjectives, and it adds beauty, beautifies the language. Let us see. And what is descriptive? It shows the quality of a person or a thing. It shows the quality of a person or a thing, as we have seen here, the quality of a person or a thing. So beautiful girl, girl common, simple, beautiful girl. It describes the quality of her. How is she? She is very beautiful, beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective, beautiful girl. Rich man, man common, simple, rich man. How is he? Rich, rich man. It describes the richness of him. So rich is an adjective. Similarly, a boy, brilliant boy, very intelligent boy he is. We are describing what kind of a boy? Very brilliant, brilliant boy he is. Brilliant describes the intelligence of him, the quality of him. Similarly, mangoes, sweet mangoes. Mangoes, simple, common. Sweet mangoes. How are the mangoes? Mangoes are very sweet. Sweet describes the quality of the mangoes, quality of the noun. So sweet is an adjective. Similarly, some examples. Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in India. Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in India. Richest man. So he has got a lot of money, a lot of properties. So the richest man. So here richest describes the quality of the man, quality of him. Richest, rich, richer, richest. So they come in degrees of comparison. Rich, richer, richest. So these are all adjectives describing the nouns or pronouns. How is he? Richest man. Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in India. He has got lots of money, a lot of money. Richest is an adjective. Srikanth is very bold. Srikanth is very bold. Bold means very daring, dashing. So here bold, it came after the verb. But it describes the quality of Srikanth. How is Srikanth? Very bold. Srikanth is very bold, very daring, dashing. So I hope you understood what is a descriptive adjective. Describing noun or pronoun. Describing the quality of a noun or a pronoun. Next, second category of adjective is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Shows something belongs to somebody. Shows something belongs to somebody. Or possessing something. When we possess something, we use these adjectives. When we possess something, it shows our possession of something. For example, and generally these words are used as possessive adjectives. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. These are commonly used as possessive adjectives. For example, that is my car. There is a car. That is my car. My car, that is my car. My car. It shows the possessiveness. Possession. I possess one car. There it is. So that is my car. My car shows possession, or the car belongs to me. I possess one car, and the like. Shows possession or possessiveness. That is my car. India is our country. India is our country. Our country. India belongs to us. This is our country. We possess. Possessiveness. And this is his watch. This is his watch. This is his watch. So this watch belongs to him. He has possessed one watch. That is this. Shows possessiveness. Possessing something. This is his watch. That is their house. That is their house. That is their house. Their. Possessiveness. Their house. Similarly, these are all. They came before nouns. They came before nouns, and these are all adjectives called as possessive adjectives. My car. My is an adjective. Our country. Our is an adjective. His watch. These are all nouns. Watch, noun. Before noun. His is an adjective. Their house. Their house is a noun. Their is an adjective. These are all called as possessive adjectives. They come generally before nouns. They always come before nouns. Similarly, your bag. Your, adjective. Her diamond ring. Her is an adjective. So I hope you understood what is a possessive adjective. Now let us proceed to other adjectives. Okay friends, let us see. The third one is demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative? Demonstrative means point out. We point out this man, this girl, that boy. this book and the like, we point out at persons or things. At the time, that is, they are called demonstrative. It points out. Generally, these words are used in demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those, etc. Let us see. This diamond necklace is hers. This diamond necklace, we are pointing out to this particular necklace. This diamond necklace is hers. This diamond necklace, we are pointing out to this particular one. This. So this is an adjective. It came before a noun. Necklace, diamond necklace. This is a noun. Before a noun, these demonstrative adjectives, they come before the nouns. This is an adjective. This necklace or this diamond necklace is hers. This we are pointing out. And this is, it comes, they generally come before the noun. And that platinum ring is his. That platinum ring, that particular ring, that platinum ring is his. That platinum ring. So platinum ring is a noun. Before that noun it came that. So that is an adjective. If it comes before a noun, this is an adjective. Demonstrative adjective, because we are pointing out that particular ring. That platinum ring is his. That ring is his. That ring. Okay. And these buses are theirs. These buses, many buses are there. These buses are theirs. These buses, buses noun, before noun these came. So these is an adjective. The adjectives generally come before the nouns. And this is a demonstrative adjective, because we are pointing out these buses. We are saying these buses are theirs. These buses, pointing out. That's why these is an adjective, demonstrative adjective. And those bracelets are ours. Those bracelets, pointing out to those particular bracelets. Those bracelets are ours. So bracelets noun, those is an adjective, came before a noun. So I hope you understood, friends. These demonstrative adjectives they come before nouns, and we use when we point out things or persons. Okay. Next one, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives means used in asking questions. They are used in asking questions. They are generally which, what, whose. Which, what and whose. We ask questions with these words. Which bus is yours? Here there are many buses. We don't know which bus is his or hers. At the time we will use which bus is yours. Which bus is yours? Which bus? Which one? Which bus? So bus is a noun. Before the noun which came. So that's why which is an adjective. It is an interrogative adjective because it is used in asking a question. Which bus is yours? There are many buses. I don't know which bus is yours. I am asking which bus is yours? Which bus? Okay, adjective. And whose peacock is this? There are many. Here is a peacock. Whose peacock is this? Whose peacock? Whose peacock is this? Okay, whose peacock? Peacock is a noun, and before noun came whose. Whose is an adjective, interrogative adjective, asking a question. Whose peacock is this? Whose peacock is this? And what manner of man is he? What manner of man is he? Manner, noun. So what is an adjective? What manner of man is he? Okay. So easy, friends. These are used in asking questions. That's all. They come before nouns. Next one. Adjectives of quantity. Quantity refers to amount or number. So generally it includes all these words, all these numerals. Numerals, like these are all adjectives, can be used as adjectives. 1, 2, first, second, all numbers, and first, second, third, fourth, and the like. All, both, some, many, much, few, each, every, neither, enough, little, any, either. So these are all words can be used as adjectives. Can also be used as pronouns also. When we discussed pronouns, we discussed all of them. So here they can be used as adjectives. If they come before nouns, adjectives. If not, pronouns. Let us see. 5 houses. Houses, noun. Before noun came 5. So 5 is an adjective. 5 houses. 5 houses. And both cars. Both cars. There are 2 cars. Both cars are mine. We say both cars are mine. Both of them are mine. Both cars. Cars is a noun. So before noun both came. So both is an adjective. So adjectives of quantity and number. All girls, girls noun, all is an adjective. Many oranges, oranges noun, many is an adjective. Every girl, girl is a noun, every is an adjective. Enough money, money is a noun, enough is an adjective. These are all, they indicate quantity or number. They indicate quantity or number. Enough money, amount. Houses, number. All men must die. All men must die. All men. Men is a noun. So before noun came all is an adjective. So this is all. We are referring to all the people. All men must die. All is an adjective. So these words come under adjectives of quantity and number. They show either amount or number. And Tagore is the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize. Tagore is the first Indian. Indian is a noun, so first is an adjective. First Indian. First is an adjective. First Indian. And both cars are mine. There are two cars. Both cars are mine. Both cars are mine. Both buses are mine. Both houses are mine. Okay. So cars are nouns. So that's why both is an adjective. Every student has to attend the prayer. Every student has to attend the prayer. Student is a noun. So every is an adjective. Every student. Similarly. And I hope you understood these adjectives. Next, exclamatory adjective. Exclamatory, expressing surprise. When we are surprised, we use them. So what genius will be surprised looking at his intellectuality, intelligence, high level of intelligence. What a genius he is. What genius? Genius is a noun. So what is an adjective? What genius? What folly? Foolish person. What folly? Foolishness. Surprising. What folly? What is an adjective? What an idea? Idea is a noun. What an idea? Expressing surprise. What is an adjective? Exclamatory adjective, because followed by an exclamatory mark also. What a blessing. What a blessing. We are blessed by God. What a blessing. What is an adjective? So these are all called as exclamatory adjectives. So they are, when we are surprised, at the time we use these words. I hope that you understood up to now, friends. So let us discuss one more, the last one. Okay, friends. Last one, seventh one, emphasizing adjective. Emphasizing, stressing. When we stress something, when we emphasize something, we use these adjectives. Generally, own, very, such words are used in emphasizing things. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. Own eyes. With my eyes, with my own eyes. We are stressing, with my own eyes. Stressing here, emphasizing here. So, own is an adjective. And generally it came before noun. Eyes noun, before noun came, it is an adjective. This is an emphasizing adjective. With my own eyes, stressing. I saw it with my own eyes. Stressing, emphasizing. That is the very important book I want. That is the very book I want. Or else that is the very important book I want. Very, very important. That is the very important book I want. Very, emphasizing that particular book. That is the very important book I want. Very and important. Book is a noun. Important and very. Both are adjectives. Very is an emphasizing adjective. Similarly, articles. All articles are adjectives. A and the are adjectives. They come before nouns. There is an apple on the table. There is an apple on the table. Apple noun. An is an adjective. An came before a noun. The sun gives us much light. Sun is a noun. The is an adjective. The sun. Okay. So articles are adjectives. Similarly, in degrees of comparison, we use number of adjectives, and they are all adjectives. For example, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Tall, taller, tallest. Great, greater, greatest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. So these are all adjectives. They are used in degrees of comparison. Adjective form 1, 2, 3. First form, second form. Compare first form, positive degree. Comparative degree, comparative form, and superlative form. So these are all adjectives. I hope that you understood the adjectives completely, friends. And just once or twice, if you listen to this video, it can be very clear to you. You can understand. And please, once again, I request you all to please share to all your friends and groups, and subscribe my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos and supporting me, friends. Thank you.